Hey friends, if video export is stuck on the Microsoft Photos app, then please watch this video. Now, usually I don't use this application for video exporting or video editing or anything, even though that is an option because we already have a better app called Microsoft Clipchamp. But anyway, if you have done it and you're stuck, then here's what you can do. Search for Photos in the Windows search bar and click on the download pointing arrow in the right pane. Now, select App Settings. Okay, scroll down and click on repair. Don't click on terminate because otherwise it will terminate the current session, and try to repair it, and then you can also try to reset it. Wait till you get the tick mark here for both of these. Now if this doesn't work, then you cannot do anything about that specific video, but to fix this problem in general, you can terminate that app and select background app permissions as never, and you can just make sure that it doesn't run at startup itself and reboot your system. If that doesn't help either, just uninstall it. Uninstall and gone. Now search for store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for Photos and hit enter. Go to Microsoft Photos, select install, and it will install all the it will install the Microsoft Photos app again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.